Hi folks, welcome to Pokemanta. In this video session, we are going to see how to record a script using our proxy recorder that is enabled with JMeter, and how to record a script using Blazemeter API plugin that comes as a browser extension. So both these ways of recording has its own merits and demerits. So we'll first try to record both these approaches. First open your JMeter. I think I have already explained the prerequisite that you need to do before recording the script in my previous video. Just go and check it out. In this video, we are just directly going and start the recording. Go to File, open the template, preloaded template. Going to select the recording with sync time. Click on Create. And I'm going to enable this proxy recorder, which is going to intercept the traffic. And using the port 8888, let me change the proxy setting of my local machine with 8888. So now I'm going to record it. So before recording, it will be very helpful if you build a performance test case like this. So I'm going to directly use this. Okay, let's start the recording. Give the transaction in here. I'm going to do the user action. Next transaction is recording. I'm not going to record the entire flow. I'm just going to stop with this and still clicking the product. Categories, so you can select the cat category. Now I have successfully recorded using the proxy recorder. Let me stop it and let's see if the traffic got properly recorded. So you can delete this. Cool. Now you can see, right, like all the transactions are properly recorded, and we have the transaction controller. I'll be explaining about each of these elements separately. The purpose of this video is just to check on the recording, and I have the recording logs as well. Just keep this as well. This will be useful for you. Okay. Just save this. Okay. Now let's try to record it using the Blazemeter API plugin. So you have to install this plugin, and for that, you don't need to have that proxy setting. You can disable the proxy. Otherwise, no, you will not be having access. Okay, so let's see how to get this plugin first. Go to this extensions. here you can search for Blazemeter. I already have it. If you want to get a new extension, you need to go to this Chrome web store, type Blazemeter API or Blazemeter. So you need to go and install this. I have already installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So once your plugin is installed, right, you will see an icon like this. So using this only we are going to record it. For that you have to be logged in. So log in with your Gmail account, and in the advanced options, select current browser, and you need to disable this one, not only top level request. You can select this option, top level request, and the following, and whatever you want to record, you can select that. Now we have set up the configuration. Now we can start the recording actions. Let's use that transaction. So I always do this, it's very useful for me. It speeds up it's really fast when I do that. Now let me click on this home page. Now log in. So you have to do the same way what we did for the proxy recorder. It's just a different approach. Click on login. Category. I think I'm going to stop with this. I'm going to log out, or let's do this. Now it's successfully recorded. Once you have recorded your script, you can click on the stop button. You can click on this edit button and see how it got recorded. So once if there are any unwanted requests that got recorded, you can delete it. Yes, you can delete it or whatever you want to do, you can do it here itself. Then you can export to JMeter using this option. This gets exported as a JMeter file. Now I'm going to open another instance of JMeter and open the script that got recorded using the Blazemeter. So now you can open it using your normal JMeter. You can give a proper name. So yeah, this is how we record using the Blazemeter API. So now I'm going to show you the advantages and disadvantages. When you record using the Blazemeter API plugin, right, you will not get the recorded log at the time of recording that application. What response you got from the server, right, that will not be able to record when you are using Blazemeter API. For example, if there are any dynamic values that gets recorded in the script, right, I will not be able to search where exactly which request that this dynamic value came. Right, for example, pet store, maybe it might be in pet store or it might be here, but there's no way I can go and check that. I mean, I can check with the boundary values, but directly I will not be able to check with this dynamically changing value. So that's one of the major disadvantage of using Blazemeter API plugin recording. But there are other benefits. Benefits includes like you don't have to change the proxy setting, while recording using the Blazemeter API plugin, and it's kind of very easy. I personally prefer doing recording using the Blazemeter API plugin because of its ease of use, and I'll be using that only if I'm quite sure what are the dynamic values that I need to be correlating. If I'm trying to build a script from the scratch, right, I don't prefer this option. On the other hand, you have the recorded logs here, right? For example, if I want to see this particular, let's see. So if I want to see where this dynamic value came from, right, I can copy this dynamic value. And I can go to this view result and I can check each of the responses. Okay, it's not here. 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 So now that's one of the major advantages. I have the server response logs at the time of recording, so it's easy for me to find where this dynamic value originated from, so that it will be easy for me to do the correlation directly. So that's one major advantage of using the proxy recorder, using the inbuilt JMeter recording. In terms of ease of use, right, I personally don't like it. I mean, it's easy, but still, compared to Blazemeter API plugin, it's a little bit difficult. You need to change the proxy, a lot of things, a lot of things are there. So, when it comes to convenience and ease of use, I would vote for Blazemeter API plugin. This is how we record a script using JMeter proxy recorder feature, or using the Blazemeter API plugin that comes as an extension from your Chrome browser. Okay, both has its own advantages and disadvantages. Based on your requirement, you can select one of these options and go ahead. Thanks for listening to this video. I hope this was helpful. And if you want to see more such videos, please do like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be posting some interesting videos on performance testing and engineering. Happy learning and goodbye.